In this video, I will show you step by step on how to convert audio to text step by step using your Android phone without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to convert speech to text using just your phone. I'm going to show you two possible ways to do that. One of the very first way is to make sure we head over to our browser. I'm going to make use of my Google Chrome right here. I'm going to click on here and I'm going to make a new tab. And the next thing I'm going to do is to type the website name on the address bar right here. So the website we're going to use is called riverside.fm. Then search. Then it's going to open up the web page just like we want to see right here. Okay. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on the stroke, this two stroke at the top right here. We click on that. Then we have to navigate to products. Then we make sure we click on transcribing. Then the next thing we want to do is to click on transcribe now. Then we have to click on this plus sign right here to upload our audio file. Then we click on media picker. Then I will navigate to my audio. And I'm going to use this particular audio file right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then the audio has been successfully uploaded. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I choose the language that I want to translate to or transcribe to. So for me to do that, I will just click on here. Then you can choose any of the language right here. So I spoke English in the audio, so I would like to transcribe to another language. I'm going to transcribe back to English. Then I will click on I'm a woman. Then I'll click on start transcribing. So you can see the result right here. The audio has been successfully transcribed from English language to Hindi language right here. Now we can download this particular transcribe, or better still, we can click on here to copy the transcribe. Then we can click on here to download. So these are the options that we can use to download or get the result, or better still. So if I click on here now, so these are the two options by which you can use to get the download file. You can either get it in transcripts, which is TT, which is TXT, that is text, or you can also get it in captions, which has to do with SRT file that you can use to have a translation to your video in your video editing app. So these are the basic two ways by which you can get your file in speech to text using just your Android phone or any type of phone. What you need to do is to have a browser and then go to this website and follow this tutorial. You are going to be fine. So let's take a look at how you can get this particular with the same result, such as speech to text using just an Android phone. So there is an app we can use for that. So the first thing you want to do is I'm going to exit from there. Then the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store if you are using Android phone. So this is for you. So go to your Play Store right here. Then on getting to the Play Store, click on search app right here. And then you have to search for the app Transcription. Then click on search. So this is the app right here, Transcribe speech to text. So if you don't have the app download installed on your phone already, so you need to download, install, and register with your email address. After you have successfully download and install and register with your email address, next thing you want to do is to click on open right here. Then it takes you to this particular interface. So how do you use this particular app for speech to text step by step on Android? So the very first option you can use record and transcribe. This allows you to record whatever you are saying and instantly you upload it and it transcribe it easily as that. So let's test it out. So I'm going to click on here to record. Then I will click on record right here. Then it takes you to this particular page. Then you can decide what language you want to transcribe to. So you can change from here, click on here to choose another language that you would like to transcribe to. Let's say I speak English from the audio and I want to transcribe into another language. So I can decide to transcribe into Filipino, which is Philippine language. So I'm going to select on that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I can decide to change from standard right here and click on here. I'm going to click on here now to choose options. So I can decide to make a subtitle. Then next thing I'm going to do is to click on transcribe right here. So it's going to upload a file and prepare the transcribe. So it's going to start preparing to transcribe. So let's quickly go back home page. Then from the home page right here, you can also upload your custom audio. So for you to do that, you just need to click on pick a file right here. It can be audio or it can be video file. So I'm going to click on that. Then it opened my phone audio gallery. So I'm going to select this particular audio right here. Then I can change the language now from Filipino. So I'm going to click on that. So I can change to another language. So let's take a look at India. Then I will click on here. I can make this subtitle or so. Then I will click on transcribe right here. So we have a successfully job completed 2 right here. So this is the first one where I record my voice direct into the mic, and this is the second one where I upload my audio or my speech into the app. So you can click on any one of them. So let's, for instance, if I click on this one here, you are going to see the transcript result. So you can see from my speech into text, and this is the language we choose, which is Hindi. So let's quickly, you can also play the audio right here. So click on this button right here to play the audio.
The biggest scam on planet Earth is a job.
So this was the audio I upload into the app, which is English language and transcribed to Hindi right here. So Hindi right here. So you can also click on here to switch to another language of your choice. So basically, this is how you can simply convert speech to text, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's quickly go back to the home page of the app, and I walk you through what are the things you can do more as far as this app is concerned. So right here we have our home page right here. So if I click on here, it takes me to the home page. So under the home page section here, these are the tabs. The first tab here is where you can use to record your voice directly. The second tab here is where you can upload your video or your audio, and it's going to transcribe to accurate result. The next one right here is where you can share a file from Telegram or from WhatsApp and upload into the app. The fourth one right here is where you copy a link from YouTube or from Dropbox or from your Google Drive and paste it on the app, and then you ask for a transcribe. And bear in mind, each time you are using these tools, your credit is getting reduction. Immediately you open this app and you register with your email address, you will be given 100 free credits that you can use to perform all these tasks. So immediately the free 100 credits got exhausted, you have to upgrade to Pro plan, or better still, you wait for another credit that will be given to you by the app admin. So the next tab right here is just for the recording, which is what we are doing right here. This is where you will also see all your previous job you have recorded on this particular app. Then the next to hit here is where you have your transcript results, just like what you see right here. So the first one here and the second one we have done in this app. So the next to hit right here, so let's check it out. So there is nothing much right here. What you can do here is to add in people by using this plus sign right here to add people into the app, but sometimes this is not really necessary. So the last one right here in the app is where you can do your custom settings, language setting. You can turn from dark mode to light mode, just like what you just see in the screen right here. You can scroll down and see more information right here. So you can scroll down right here, use this button to log out your account. If you don't want to use the app again, use this button to delete your account. It's as simple as that. This is how to speak to text using your Android phone or using your iPhone. Whatever device you might be using, you are going to be fine if you follow this step by step in this tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.